Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming what your carrier and device allow, since methods differ. Once done, choose between a per-call code like *67 or a persistent caller ID block in settings. Per-call hides only the next call, while persistent blocks all outgoing ID. Make sure you can log into your account or reach device settings. If you plan to use the per-call code, dial it before the number. If using settings, open your phone or call settings now and locate caller ID or additional settings. Now apply the method you picked. For a single call, dial *67, then the number. The network receives the block request immediately. If you want persistent privacy, toggle Show My Caller ID off on iPhone or open the phone app settings on Android and disable caller ID or use supplementary services. Some carriers require you to manage blocking from your online account. Go to the carrier portal, find calling or privacy controls, and enable anonymous calling. Make sure to save changes and reboot the finish by testing. Call a friend and confirm their display shows no caller ID. Once confirmed, you're done. If the recipient still sees your number, make sure you didn't omit the per-call code or that your device settings saved correctly. Some carriers override device settings. If problems persist, log into your carrier account or call support to enable network-level blocking. As a fallback, consider using a VoIP app that offers number masking, but make sure you understand any fees or privacy trade-offs before switching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.